In this video, you'll learn how to create this smooth 3D flip card effect, built entirely with HTML and CSS. No JavaScript, no libraries. Just clean transitions, modern design, and a simple hover animation that brings your cards to life. Let's jump in and see how it's done. Flip cards are one of those small but powerful design details that instantly make a website feel more interactive and alive. You've probably seen them before, maybe on product pages, profile cards, or portfolios. They look simple at first, but when you hover over them and watch them flip, that tiny animation adds personality and depth to the page. What's great about flip cards is how versatile they are. You can use them to show product information, like price and description, or maybe you want to display team members, front side with a photo, back side with a short bio and contact button. You could even use them in dashboards or portfolios where space is limited, but you still want to keep the design dynamic and engaging. And here's the best part. You don't need any JavaScript to make it work. Just a few lines of clean HTML and CSS, and you can achieve a professional 3D effect that feels smooth and natural. With the right colors, shadows, and transitions, the animation looks like something straight out of a high-end web app. Adding motion to your UI doesn't have to be complicated. It's about balance, subtle animations that enhance the experience without getting in the way. A flip card is a perfect example of that. It catches attention, communicates information, and keeps users curious to explore more. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand not just how to build it, but why little touches like this can completely change how people feel when they visit your site. So stick around, because we're about to turn a simple block of HTML into something that really stands out. Simple, elegant, and built with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, there's more on the way.